How to export as GIF in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Make sure you're already in the project. After you're done editing, click on the export button at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on the export button at the top right corner of your screen, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and you'll find export GIF. Make sure there's tick mark or dot, then at the bottom select the resolution you want and press on export at the bottom. After you press on export, your video will turn into GIF. And this is how to export as GIF in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.